Hello everyone, welcome to our report about wireless technology.
Today, we will explain what wireless technologies are, how they work, and their uses in daily life. Let's get started.
Wireless technologies let devices connect and share information without using wire or cables. For example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile networks like 4G and 5G are all wireless technology. These technologies use invisible signals like radio waves to send and receive data.
Wireless devices work by sending signals through the air. For example, your phone sends a signal to a router to connect to the internet. The router then sends the information back to your phone. That's why you can send messages, watch videos, and browse websites without using cables.
Wireless technologies are everywhere. We use them for communication like calling, texting, and for entertainment like streaming, music, or videos.
They are also used in smart devices like wireless headphones, smart watches, and even in home with smart lights and security cameras.
The best thing about wireless technologies is convenience. You can connect devices easily and move around without worrying about cables.
Yes, and they make our lives faster and more efficient. Imagine doing your schoolworks or talking to friends anytime, anywhere. There are 7 types of wireless technologies. First, wireless LAN. Wireless Local Area Network, commonly referred to by its trade name Wi-Fi. It is a type of local area network that uses radio waves to enable devices to connect to a network and communicate wirelessly. There are 6 key features of wireless LAN. First, wireless communication. Devices such as smartphones, laptops, and IoT gadgets connect to the network via radio signals instead of cables. Second, Wi-Fi standards. Third, access point. Wireless networks are often built around one or more access points that act as a hubs, allowing multiple devices to connect to the network. These access points are usually connected to the border internet. Fourth, frequency bands. Fifth, mobility. Allows user to move around within the converged area of the network while staying connected, offering convenience in homes, offices, and public spaces like cafes and airports. And last, security. Wireless LANs use encryption protocols like WPA2 and WPA3 to secure data transmissions and prevent unauthorized access. Advantages of wireless LAN. First, convenience and mobility. Second, scalability for adding more devices without additional infrastructure. And last, easy installation compared to wired LANs.
Second type of wireless technology, phones and Bluetooth. A personal area network is a small-scale network designed for communication between devices that are close to each other. Typically, within a range of a few meters, phones are often established informally, bases without the need for extensive infrastructure. Key features of phones. First, small range. Phones typically operate within a range of 1 to 10 meters, suitable for personal devices like smartphone, laptops, tablet, and wearable gadgets. Second, limited nodes. This network usually involve only a few devices, but advanced system can support multiple devices within a confined area. Third, wireless connectivity. Most phones rely on wireless communication technologies such as Bluetooth, Zigbee, or infrared, although wired phones using USB connection are all possible. Fourth, application. Phones are often used for file sharing, device synchronization connecting peripherals like keyboards or headphones or controlling IoT device. Bluetooth in fans. Bluetooth is one of the most common technologies used to establish fans. It's a short-range wireless communication protocol that allows devices to connect and exchange data with a range of about 10 meters or more with advanced version. Key features of Bluetooth in fans. First, ease of use. Bluetooth enables quick and straightforward device pairing, making it ideal for informal fan setup. Second, lower power consumption. It's used to design minimize energy usage, which is crucial for battery-powered device. Third, multiple device support. Bluetooth supports multi-point connection, enabling several devices to communicate with a fan. Security. Bluetooth includes encryption and authentication mechanism to ensure secure communication between connected and device. Advantages of Bluetooth fans. Minimal setup time, widely supported across device, cost-effective and energy efficient.
Third, Zigbee and mesh wireless networks. Zigbee is a wireless communication technology based on the IEEE 802.15.4 standard. It is a low-power, low-cost, and short-range solution designed to facilitate reliable wireless communication for application in monitoring, control, and automation. Unlike consumer-oriented technologies like Bluetooth, Zigbee was developed specifically to meet the needs of commercial, industrial, and home systems where scalability, energy efficiency, and low-range communication are critical. There are 5 key features of Zigbee. First, low power consumption. Devices using Zigbee can operate for years on small batteries, making it ideal for energy-efficient systems like sensors and smart devices. Second, short-range communication. Typically operates in the 2.4 GHz frequency band with a range of 10 to 100 meters depending on the environment and network configuration. Third, mesh networking. So Zigbee supports a mesh network topology, enabling devices to connect indirectly through intermediate nodes. This enhances network reliability and range by allowing data to hop between devices. Fourth is scalability. Zigbee networks can support thousands of devices, making it suitable for large-scale industrial and home automation setups. And last, data rate. It's designed for transmitting small amount of data such as sensor readings or control commands rather than high bandwidth application like video streaming. Application of Zigbee and mesh wireless is home automation, industrial monitoring, healthcare, energy management. The example of home automation is smart lighting, thermostats, and security system, while the industrial monitoring is a machine condition monitoring, environmental sensors, and process control. In healthcare is medical device integration and patient monitoring, while in energy management is smart meters and demand response systems.
Fourth, WiMAX and wireless metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network serves as critically communication infrastructure that spans a city or a large campus, bridging the gap between local area networks and wide area networks. Traditionally, MANs rely on high-speed fiber optic technologies, primarily SONET or synchronous optical networking rings to provide fast, reliable connectivity for enterprises, government agencies, and service providers. These fiber optic networks like enterprise, LANs, to border ones, or directly to the internet backbone, supporting high data transfer rates and robust performance. WiMAX technology. WiMAX is a wireless communication standard based on IEEE 802.16 family of standards, designed to deliver high-speed broadband connectivity over long distance. It operates in licensed and unlicensed frequency bands, typically in 2.3 GHz, 2.5 GHz, and 3.5 GHz spectrum. WiMAX can serve as wireless backbone for months, offering broadband internet access to both fixed and mobile users across metropolitan areas. 6 key features of WiMAX in months. First, high-speed broadband access. WiMAX can deliver data rates ranging from several Mbps to over 100 Mbps, depending on deployment scenario and spectrum availability. This makes it suitable for applications like video, streaming, VoIP, and large-scale data transfer. Second, wide coverage. WiMAX tower can cover areas up to 50 km, 31 miles in rural setting, and 5 to 15 km, 3 to 9 miles in urban environments. This wide coverage is ideal for connecting different parts of a city without extensive physical infrastructure. Third, cost-effective deployment. Deploying WiMAX network is more economical than laying fiber optic cables, especially in challenging terrains or densely populated areas where digging and cabling are impractical. Fourth, scalability and flexibility. WiMAX network can be scaled easily to accommodate more users in increased traffic. They support both fixed and mobile access, making them versatile for various applications from residential broadband to enterprise connectivity. Fifth, quality of service. WiMAX supports features that prioritize different types of traffic, voice, video, data, ensuring reliable performance of latency sensitivity application. 6. Interoperability. WiMAX is designed to be interoperability with existing network infrastructures, allowing seamless integration with legacy systems and other broadband technology. Application of WiMAX in months. Last mile connectivity. Providing broadband access to areas where fiber development is uneconomical. Enterprise networking. Connecting multiple office branches across a city without physical line. Public Wi-Fi networks. Supporting citywide public internet access in smart city initiative. Disaster coverage. Rapidly restoring connectivity in disaster-hit urban areas where physical networks are damaged.
Fifth, infrared wireless. Perhaps the most widespread wireless system uses infrared light for short-distance data communication. So infrared wireless communication relies on infrared light, which is part of the electromagnetic spectrum just beyond the visible range. IR waves are used to transmit data between devices without the need for cables. There are also 4 key features of infrared wireless. So first is short range. Infrared communication typically works over short distances, usually a few meters. It is ideal for local, close proximity connections. So second is line of sight requirements. IR signals generally require a clear, unobstructed path between the transmitting and receiving devices, as the waves cannot pass through walls or opaque objects. Third is low interference. Since infrared signals operate within a specific spectrum, they are less prone to interference from other wireless devices, making them reliable for certain applications. Fourth, secure transmission. The line of sight nature of IR communication make it less susceptible to eavesdropping compared to other wireless technologies like radio waves. Application of infrared wireless. First is remote controls. So one of the most common uses of infrared is an remote controls for televisions, air conditioners, and other appliances. Second is data transfer. Older mobile devices and laptops often use IR ports for transferring files between devices. Third is medical devices. Infrared technology is used in some medical equipment for data transmission and monitoring. So last is sensors and automation. Many sensors in security systems Industrial automation and smart home devices rely on IR for communication. The advantage of infrared wireless is cost-effective and easy to implement, reduced risk of interference with other wireless signals, highly suitable for point-to-point communication. Infrared wireless have limitations. So first is restricted to short distances, second requires a direct line of sight between devices, and third is limited data transfer speeds compared to modern wireless technologies like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Infrared wireless remains a simple and practical choice for specific use cases where short distance, low power communication is sufficient.
6. Radio frequency identification, RFID and Near Field Communication (NFC) are two closely related wireless communication technologies that enable data exchange over short distance. Radio frequency identification or RFID. RFID is a wireless technology used for automatic identification and data capture. It works similarly to barcodes but offers more flexibility and efficiency. Instead of using optical scanning, RFID relies on radio wave to transmit data. Two key components of RFID. First, RFID tags, small device attached to object for identification. They consist of microchip for data storage and antenna for signal transmission. Passive tags. These have no internal power source and are activated by the electromagnetic signal from a radio. Active tags. These have their own power source, battery, and can transmit signal over longer distance. Second, back-end database. The system where data from the reader is processed and managed. How RFID works. The RFID reader emits radio waves that power passive tags. The tag transmits its stored data, like an ID number, back to the reader. The reader forwards this information to a computer system. Application of RFID. Inventory, management, and warehouse and retail. Tracking shipments in logistics and supply chains. Access control in secure facilities. Contactless payment through NFC is more common for this. Asset and livestock tracking. Near Field Communication or NFC. NFC is a subset of RFID technology designed for very short range communication, typically with a 1 cm 1.6 inches. It operates at a frequency of 13.56 MHz and allows device to establish two-way communication. Key feature of NFC. Short range. Requires close proximity, enhancing security. Two-way communication. Both devices can send and receive data. Ease of use. Simple tap or bring device close together to initiate communication. Application of NFC. Contactless payment. Used in smartphone and credit or debit cards for secure transaction. Apple Pay, Google Pay. Access control. Key cards and mobile device for security entry. Data sharing. Sharing files, contacts, or links between smartphones. Smart poster. Tapping a phone on an NFC tag embedded in a poster to get information or promotion. RFID and NFC are transforming industries by enabling efficiency, tracking, identification, and secure data exchange. RFID excels in logistics and inventory due to its longer range, while NFC is built for secure, close proximity interaction like payments and access control. Both technologies continue to expand in use as wireless communication becomes more integral to daily life and business operation.
The last type of wireless technologies is ultra-wideband wireless. It is the newest and most unusual form of wireless is known as ultra-wideband. So ultra-wideband wireless is a wireless communication technology characterized by its ability to transmit data over a very wide frequency spectrum, typically greater than 500 MHz, while using very low power levels. This technology is distinct from other wireless communication methods like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, which operate over a narrower frequency ranges. The key feature of ultra-wideband wireless is wide frequency bandwidth. So it operates across a broad frequency range, enabling it to carry large amount of data efficiently. Low power consumption. So it uses minimal power, making it ideal for battery-operated devices and reducing interference with other wireless technologies. High precision and accuracy. Ultra-wideband is renowned for its precise location tracking capabilities. It can determine a device position with sub-centimeter accuracy. Short range. So it is designed for short-range communications, typically within 10 to 30 meters. Robustness against interference. Due to its wide frequency spectrum and low power, ultra-wideband signals are less susceptible to interference from other devices operating in the same environment. The advantages of ultra-wideband is high data rates, enhanced spatial and temporal resolution, secure communication with reduced eavesdropping risk, and minimal interference with existing technologies. Ultra-wideband wireless represents a promising advancement in wireless communication, especially in areas requiring high precision and secure low-power connectivity.
That's all for our report on wireless technology.